Hey guys, Juan here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5-step formula to making money with affiliate marketing. So one of the first things that I want to share with you is if you don't really understand affiliate marketing or if you're new to it, affiliate marketing is essentially where you are promoting other people's products and services. Okay, let's say you have a website, you have a particular blog, you're maybe talking about a particular service or product. You recommend that product or service, and then you have a link on there that is then tracked back to you. And so anytime somebody clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you get a commission, right? Same thing with like a YouTube video. If you're on there and you're promoting a product, if you're doing a review or whatever it may be, anytime somebody clicks and buys off of your affiliate link, that's where you're going to get a commission. So the first step in the 5-step formula is having the right mindset. Now, a lot of people that I know that are trying to get into affiliate marketing or in the how to make money online world think that making money online is super easy. Like it's a push button kind of solution. Hey, everybody's doing it. It's going to be super simple. I just got to click this, click that, and boom, I got an automated revenue generating machine. Well, unfortunately, that's not how it works. You want to have an understanding that this is not going to be easy. It's actually going to be quite difficult because if you think about it, if it was super easy, everybody would be doing it, right? People would not have regular jobs. They would be making money online. Yeah, and there are a lot of people that are, but we don't know that backstory, right? How many years did they spend actually going through different course materials, learning from mentors, spending thousands of dollars on their education to get to where they are at right now. So that's one of the biggest things that I really want to point out is once you're starting into this online marketing world, it's not going to be easy. And if you go into it with that understanding, with that kind of mindset that, hey, okay, things are going to go wrong. My website may, be down for a day. My website may mess up, whatever it may be, right? All the things that could go wrong will typically go wrong. But when you're really prepared for that mentally and that time comes and you have an issue, you're like, oh man, that sucks. But hey, you know what? It's just all part of the process, okay? So having the right mindset is the first thing that you need to understand if you want to start making money online with affiliate marketing and really making money online with anything, okay? So number 2, this is niche selection. So if you're just starting out, I would recommend that you go into a niche that you are passionate about because with a niche that you're passionate about, if and when, it's not really if, it's when things start getting tough, right? You're not going to be as likely to quit, okay? Because let's say that you want to go after a specific niche that you're not even passionate about, you don't really care about, you're just trying to make money. At the first point of anything going wrong, you're going to want to give up because it's too hard, it's not fun, right? But if you're going into a niche that is, something that you're passionate about, you like it, you understand it, you have a background in it, it's going to be easier for you. Once you get that first niche and kind of product or service or whatever it is that you're looking to promote kind of out of the way, that is really, resonating with you, then you can start going and looking at different niches because you already have a system down. You know that you can make money by promoting XYZ product that you like, that you're familiar with. Then you can start branching off into different types of niches that you're not necessarily that passionate about, but you know that there's a market for it. So I'll give you an example here, right? If you're going to be going into a niche, think about, let's say if you're interested in outdoors, okay? You want to get a lot more specific than just outdoors. Let's say you like hiking. So we would go into the hiking niche, but let's even get a little bit more specific, okay? So hiking backpacks. Let's say you were to go and create a website around hiking equipment, okay? You can have different pages where you're promoting hiking backpacks, hiking boots, right? Camping gear, whatever it is that has to do with hiking. So number 3, this is affiliate network selection. So there's a lot of networks out there that you can join and start promoting different products, but it's really important to look at all the different networks and understand what it is that you're going to be promoting from the get-go, okay? So for example, ClickBank. ClickBank is typically just informational products. So let's say you wanted to promote health products, right? Fitness products. They have a lot of products on how to lose weight, on how to cure diabetes, a lot of software programs as well. So those are going to be typically more of informational products, but they actually have one of the highest commissions in the market. So typically, if you're promoting a ClickBank offer, right, product, you're going to get anywhere between 50 to 75% of the sale. Typically, the pricing on ClickBank is going to be anywhere between $25 to $75, okay? So you're going to get 75% of that. Now, some actual products have a monthly reoccurring charge that you're also going to be making a commission on. And so that's a really great benefit as well with ClickBank, and just really any product is going to have like a monthly subscription. So then we have Commission Junction. Now, Commission Junction is more of like software product. So let's say that you wanted to promote like email autoresponders, Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact, iContact, right? You're going to need to join Commission Junction in order to start promoting those types of software products. But again, right, those kind of products are really great because they have reoccurring revenue coming in each month, and it's essentially passive income. So then we have Udemy, and Udemy is more of a marketplace of courses, and you're going to need to join, I believe it's Rakuten, which is the actual affiliate network, right? Where you can start promoting, like, let's say, courses on Udemy. If you go to Udemy and you do a search, I mean, you can look and find so many different courses on so many different subjects, and they actually have a really good commission program as well. And then we have Amazon. And as you know, Amazon essentially sells everything. So you can start promoting so many different products, right? But the only downfall with Amazon is that the commission structure is really, really low. Typically anywhere between 3 to 5%, depending on the category of products that you're promoting. And then we have Market Health. So Market Health is more of a health conscious type of platform where you can start promoting vitamins and supplements and start actually getting higher commissions than Amazon, okay? So these are some of the top affiliate networks. Research these, find out which one of these is going to be the best for you, right? And that's all going to be depending on what product or service that you want to promote, okay? So then we have number 4, which is choosing the right platform. So one of the quickest ways you can start earning affiliate commissions is by creating a YouTube account, okay? And a YouTube account is free. It's very, very simple to set up. A lot of the actual traffic that you're going to be getting is going to be through the related videos section, okay? So let's say that you are watching, for example, a video on health and fitness or how to lose weight. A lot of times what's going to happen is you're going to have recommended videos on the right-hand side of your screen that are similar to what you're currently looking at, right? So that's where, from what I found, is where a lot of your traffic is going to be coming from. So you can start getting traffic immediately by just creating a quick YouTube video and promoting a particular product or service, maybe doing a review on it, okay? So then we have Instagram, right? Instagram is so huge right now. Instagram is one of those things where you really just have to understand the hashtag game, because every time, let's say, you make a post, you want to make sure you have the right hashtags that are associated with that particular niche. But it's super easy to start gaining followers and start promoting other people's products. So then we have a website or blog. This is my favorite method of generating affiliate commissions, because you can have your own website where you're essentially reviewing different products. Like, let's say if you wanted to review particular software, let's say if you wanted to review a particular hosting service, right? So there's so many different things that you can actually start promoting through your own blog, right? And that's where I go back to making sure that your very first niche is something that you enjoy, that you're passionate about, so that content will come very quickly and easily to you. Then we have Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads is a bit more complex, but I definitely feel that Facebook ads is a great way to start generating traffic to a blog, to a website, whatever it may be, and start bringing people to actually engage with your content. Because if you think about it, right, you can easily create a ad. Let's say you made a review on the best or the top 5 hiking boots, right? And you created a Facebook ad and you're targeting people who like hiking, right? Who have the interest of hiking. They're within a certain age, right? And you would get this data by going into the Facebook audience insights and really digging deep into your actual customer avatar. But let's just say that you were able to find and target the exact people that liked hiking, okay? You could put together that article, right? And then put together a Facebook ad targeting those people and say, hey, I created this quick article on the 5 best or top hiking boots. Take a look, whatever, right? And then start driving traffic to there. So what you're doing there is you're providing value to the user, right? That person that is interested in hiking is clicking on your ad, they're going to your website, and then they're reading the article, right? And then at the end there, you're going to have some sort of call to action saying, hey, if you want to buy either one of these boots, right, click here to purchase. See, the way that I would go about it is I would have an affiliate link under each particular boot that I would be reviewing, okay? So it's very important that you select the right type of platform from the get-go. So if you're just starting out, I would recommend you start on YouTube or even Instagram, right? They're both free. All you need to do is start creating content. And then you have a website, which is a little bit more of an investment and a little bit more of a learning curve. But once you build that asset, right, that website, it's going to be there and it's going to be, if you're actually doing SEO on it and you're ranking it in Google, it has the ability to start generating passive income for you, okay? So the last thing that I want to talk about is laying out your strategy step by step. Now, a lot of people go into the internet marketing world or how to make money world and they're like, okay, there's so many different things that I can do to make money. They get this shiny object syndrome. And I really struggled with this when I first started out, right? I wanted to do this, I wanted to do that. And there's so many different ways that you're just like all over the place versus saying, okay, I'm going to start making money and doing affiliate through my blog. And once I know that and understand that, okay, what are the steps that I need to do in order to get started, okay? And I laid them out right here. For example, if you wanted to start promoting products, right, through your website, here's the steps that I would go through to start creating a website. Number 1, right, register a domain at namecheap.com. Whatever it is that you want to call your domain, right? Maybe it's, hiking gear reviews or whatever, right? Then you would go and get hosting. You can get hosting from Namecheap as well, okay? You set up your hosting. Then you would install WordPress on your site. WordPress is one of the top actual CMS systems out there and probably one of the best for SEO, in my opinion. I build all my sites on WordPress and they've worked extremely well as far as ranking on Google. Then you want to select a WordPress theme. Now, WordPress has a ton of free themes that you don't even need to purchase that they have for free within their platform once you install the WordPress software onto your site, okay? So then you have the final step, which is create content, right? So if you wanted to get an idea as far as, okay, how do I need to go about creating a website? These would be your first 5 steps, right? The content you're already going to have because if you're just starting out, it's going to be something that you're passionate about anyways, so you're already going to have content. So I just really wanted to share with you these 5 steps. And if you follow this 5-step formula for getting into affiliate marketing and start to make money, you're really going to have a tremendous amount of success versus others who are just going into it and thinking that it's going to be a push button solution. It's going to be super easy. Everybody's doing it. If you go into making money online or going to internet marketing with that kind of mindset, you're going to fail very, very quickly and you're going to give up, right? That's really what sets a lot of entrepreneurs, people who are making money online, apart from the rest of the pack, right? Is understanding that, you know what, I may not get it this time or that time. I may lose a little bit of money here and there. But, I know other people are having a lot of success with this. I can do this as well. It's just maybe going to take me a little bit of time. So just wanted to share this with you here and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks.